Okay, we're gonna do 4.2 number 4. This is a pair cam is what this is. It's actually pretty easy. It looks difficult, but it's actually super easy. So we'll go ahead and go to a new file, create a new template. Make sure you're on English and standard inch. Make sure your correct project is selected, and go ahead and click create. I'm going to go ahead and do my sketch. I'll select the XY plane for my sketch. I'm going to start off with circle, and then make sure you start from your origin, okay? I'm given the radius of this bottom circle. What is the term for doubling the radius? It is the diameter. 2.5 is the diameter here. Okay, go ahead and zoom out. Remember, press your mouse wheel down and pan around. I'm going to do another circle just above on the axis. That's the y-axis, right? I'll go ahead and make this. There's radius right there. The diameter is 1. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do a dimensional constraint. I want to dimension the centers of these. So I pick the center of the top circle, center of the bottom circle, and it's this length right here. So I'll go 1.75. Next, I want to draw lines that represent the outer edges of my cam, my pair cam. I'm going to go ahead and select line, and I'll pick kind of in this region here, and get as close as I can over here. It looks like I have constraints already set, but we'll do a manual geometric constraint now, okay? So roll out your constraint toolbar, select onto tangent. Remember, tangent means it touches at one point. It never crosses and touches at 2 points, okay? You always want to select the line first when you're doing this process, okay? So I'm going to select this line, and then this circle, and then this line, this circle, this line, this circle, this line, this circle. Let's see, that one already exists, so I'll cancel that. But I have 3 new constraints. Now that that's done, I can go ahead and trim out what I don't need anymore. So I'm going to go to my modified toolbar, select trim, and I'll select this, this, and that. I'll right click and click OK. Now let's go ahead and draw this little box down here. We're going to use a line command for that. I'm going to start in the center, and I'm going to go up. I want to go up half of it because I'm doing from the center, okay? The overall height is 0.25, so I'm going to go half of that. So it's going to be 0.0625. Enter. Over to the right, 0.0625. Enter. And I'm going to go down 0.125, to the left 0.125, up 0.125, and then back over here. To close it out, right click, OK. I'm going to delete this line, I don't need that. And we're ready to extrude. We'll go ahead and finish the sketch. Create, extrude. Select my cam. The depth is right here, 0.125. It's pretty thin. Make sure that everything looks good before I select OK, and we love it. There it is. Okay. The final step of the process, you guys have to show the properties. Okay, we have to get to this property of the window. It's easy. All you do is you just go to File and go to iProperties and go to Physical, Update, and there it is. Look, there's the mass, there's the area, there's the volume. Okay, we haven't changed the material, but you can change the material. This is kind of cool. Let's make it rubber. And that changed the mass. Okay, so when you change the material, it recognizes the shape that you have, and it adjusts. Pretty neat. Okay, so that was iProperties done in the File rollout menu. Okay, and you go to Physical and make sure you update it. Okay, so the generic should say the same as 4.2 number 4. Okay, good work.